In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see SurveyMonkey results without upgrading. This quick and simple guide will navigate you through the process, ensuring you have access to your survey results without having to pay for an upgrade. We've got some great tips and tricks lined up for you. First things first, let's get you logged into SurveyMonkey. Navigate to the SurveyMonkey homepage. Once there, you'll see a login button. Click on it and you'll have the option to log in using various methods. For simplicity, let's use Google. Click on Google and choose the account you want to use for SurveyMonkey. This makes logging in quick and seamless. After you're logged in, it's time to find your survey. SurveyMonkey's dashboard is pretty intuitive. You'll see a list of your surveys. Just click on the survey whose results you're interested in. Each survey is neatly listed, making it easy for you to locate the specific one you're looking for. Upon selecting your survey, the next step is to click on Analyze Results. This button is your gateway to all the insightful data your survey has gathered. The Analyze Results section is where the magic happens, offering you a comprehensive overview of your survey responses. Now, here's a little trick to navigate directly to the respondents' answers without needing an upgrade. As you're in the Analyze Results section, scroll down until you find the option View Respondents' Answers. Clicking here will lead you straight to the individual responses to your survey. This feature is incredibly useful for understanding the detailed feedback from your participants. To drill down even further into your data, click on Table once you're viewing a respondent's answers. This view transforms your data into an easily digestible table format, allowing you to analyze the specifics of each response more clearly. It's a neat way to organize your data, making the analysis part of your survey more straightforward. Remember, these steps are designed to help you access and analyze your SurveyMonkey survey results without needing to upgrade your account. By following this simple guide, you'll be able to gain the insights you need from your surveys quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to understand customer satisfaction, gather feedback on a project, or just curious about people's opinions, these steps will ensure you get to your survey results with no fuss. And there you have it, a straightforward, step-by-step guide on how to view your SurveyMonkey results without an upgrade. We hope this video helps you in harvesting the valuable insights your surveys have gathered. Remember, the key to a successful survey analysis is not just in collecting data, but in understanding it.